Welcome to GNA Academy, a dynamic initiative of the Global News Alliance, where we train citizen journalists with a divine purpose. If you feel called to tell powerful stories about what God is doing around the world and in your own backyard, you've come to the right place. At GNA Academy, we equip everyday believers like you with the tools to become confident storytellers. Through hands-on lessons, insider pro tips from working journalists, and step-by-step tutorials on mobile reporting, editing, and ethics, you'll gain the skills to capture and share the news that matters most. Whether you're a seasoned communicator or just discovering your voice, we're here to help you develop your gifts and use them to shine light on the extraordinary ways God is moving today. The world is filled with noise, confusion, and brokenness. But there are incredible stories of hope unfolding right now, stories that need to be told. That's why we believe every follower of Christ has the potential to shape the narrative and bring truth to light. Are you ready to be more than just a witness? Join a growing global movement of passionate, purpose-driven journalists committed to telling the greatest story ever told. Visit GNA News and click on Training to start your journey today.